All right, it's that time of this training where we'll build the presentation. So basically you can build the presentation from the digital media. Like I said earlier, there are videos, audios, images, PDF, and presentations are the one that you have built for yourself already. This is the one that I have already. This is for the team, and I call it NeoLife Startup Digital Team. For example, now, so if I want to build one, let's say for the purpose of this training, like a testimony which I can send, testimony of the successful people which I can send out, all I need to do is to come in here and said presentation builder. So once you build it, you can begin to use it. So these are different things from the media. So what I need to do, let's say I want to use John Comment testimony. So let's check that right now. Yeah, okay, John and Hope comment. I will select this. Like I want to use this to build. Can you see it has added here to build a testimony? It's like 45 seconds. It's not long. So if I want to add a kind of download material, that as they're watching that, they can download the material. So I think for the material to download, I would like to add I would like to have things that have to do with the business tools to this. Yeah, correct. Digital business tools for this to download. Okay, I can preview to see how this will look like when I'm done. So this is how the digital business tools that they will download looks like. So they know that okay, digital sales support tools for the business. They can download the Team No Life app through Google Play or App Store. So let's go back to this where I'm building this. So I've already see how that look like, and I've selected John and Hope comment as a testimony. So here now I'll need to give this presentation a name. So I can call it testimony. Yeah, I can call it testimony. Okay, I can call it New Life Business Opportunity Testimonies, right? So I have this, that's the name of that file, and that's the name it should be bearing anytime that I need it. So I'll do save now. So this has been saved to my presentation now. So if I should come back to the home here, you'll find out that I have two presentations now on the presentation builder. So I have two presentation already. So if I want to send any email, drill, one click media to anybody right now, all I need to do is, for example, let's say on the contact, I want to send to anybody. So if I select this now and I said I want to send something, let's say an email, autoresponder, whatever it is, to this particular contact, I can actually select from the template. This time around, the template, you can see the digital team template. I think by now I should have what I just built. So let me check that again, except I didn't save it very well. So no live team, I call that testimony. So give me some seconds, let me check this. Send the presentation. Yeah, so presentation, select from presentation. Can you see? Yeah, correct. So I know that I have two by now. So this is one of his presentation. So let's say I want to send this to, so this is one of the presentation that I just selected, and email template, use this template. No, I want only one, this presentation. Let me delete this. None. I'll close this, then we'll do it again. So when I click send a presentation, I want to select this presentation is what I want to who. So I can type the person's email, let's say info at, okay, this because the person is already on the list, so I was able to come out. Okay, new life business opportunity, or I can say the future is bright, or you need to watch this. So depend on any caption that I want to use. So this is the name of the presentation. If I want to attach any other thing I can attach, then I'll agree to this and I'll send this presentation to this person. You also get to know how you can send this via SMS too. The SMS is good on the mobile app. You can send out on mobile app. So you heard that sound? I'm very sure that sound is the presentation that I just sent now. Yes, it is. So let me share the screen for you so you see. So let me share the screen so you see that email that I just sent. So can you see? This is the email I just sent now from John Come. So once the person click on this to watch that, this could be a very good one for prospects. So once the person click on it to watch this, what will happen is you'll see John and Okome. So if they are inspired by what they see here, they download. Remember, I added this business tools here. They downloaded the business tools. They can decide to get an instant access and get started with their business. So this is how you can use all these tools to follow up. So let's listen.
I'm excited about the future because there are a lot of people out there to help. More people that need help. More people who are sick and they need to live good life, healthy life. The purpose of this company is to make the world a healthier, happier place.
So this is exactly how a prospect will watch this kind of video, or a new team member, and they can decide to either shop, get more information, or get an instant access to sign up. And on everything they are doing here, the drip campaign will be taking care of all those activities, like what I show you, something that looked like a report the other time. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video.